In this video we will see some tags which are used to style the content, just using tags in HTML. So we will name it as style.html, and we will write a complete structure, head, and inside head suppose we want to give it some title, style tags, and after that we will write body, and I will close the body, and this is P, this is paragraph. And suppose if I want to display some text in bold format, so I will, the tag for that is B, so this will just convert the text in bold. So this is in bold format, and if I save it, if I open this, then you will see that this is a normal text and this is in bold format. Okay, so this is in bold format. So what if we want to want to display the text in italic format? So it has I tag, so this will display the content in italic format. Okay, format, these words. Okay, and now I will refresh it, so you will actually see that this is slightly bent to the right side. So this is actually I tag, so that is why it's shown like this. So to style the elements, there are three three types of styling the elements which are on the web page. So the first one we will see is inline styling. So inline means within the body tag, within the inside the body tag we will giving it style. So I want to just write a style for this paragraph, so I will write style here, and I want to color of this text is red, so I will write this, I will save it. So I want the style for this paragraph, and I want the style to be color of red, and I will save it. And if I refresh this, you can see that the color is red. So this is nothing but inline styling. So you can also give it here style, and if you want to background color of this text inside the I tag to be, so let's say brown, and just save it, give it refresh, you can see that the background of this I tag is completely in brown color. So let me just break this so it will not look awkward. So okay, so this is how styles, this is the inline styling again. So let me just create another tag. We'll use 2 BRs, to break lines, and I will write here another tag in P. This is example of internal styling. So the second type of styling we are seeing here is internal styling. So internal styling is nothing but we need to give style tag inside our head tags. So just below the title, or just before the ending of head tag. So inside the style tag we will write our styles for this P tag. you know. So for the element, this is nothing but element, you know. To element selector we will use P. I want to style for P, and I will give open curly braces and closing, and I will write here I want the color of it to be, say, suppose crimson, something different. Okay, crimson. So I will save it, and if I refresh this, so you can see that this is example of internal styling. This text is in crimson color, and I can also you can give it here, but it will, you know, create more complexity as your project goes. So it is better idea to write internal styling. So I can just give here, you know, continuous background color, and I want the background color to be cyan. And if I save it, I will replace that the both the tags has the cyan background color. Now this is because the P tag actually is here, and the P tag is also here, so it is selecting the P tags inside the body tag. I mean, if I give another P tag and type here pen, and now the pen will also the page this color and background color. So if I refresh this, you know, the pen is fetching the color and background color from this tag, and this is nothing but an example of internal styling. So the third type and last type of styling is external styling. So I will write, you know, break this and write here again. I will write here some division tag. Okay, this is something big, division. Okay, and if I save this, we can see here the division is appearing. So for the external styles, we create a new file, and we will give some name at a style and .css extension. So this is the representation of the style. Okay, so we want to style the div element. So it will just same as inline and internal styling, but just it is different that we are creating external files. So okay, so for division, you know, we'll give color as blue, and background color it will look awkward in this light pink. Okay, so now if we refresh this again, we will not able to see anything, because this style.css is not linked with style tag style.html. So to link it, we will have to use link tag, and we have to type here relation between this style file and this HTML file. This relation is style sheet. Okay, and I will just close the tag, and I will have to write href, you know, to fetch the files which is located inside the folder. So to fetch it, we have to just name the file here .css, and if I save this and if I refresh this, then we are able to see that style are in effect, because we have linked the file here in our HTML file. You know, again that the path of the, you know, what you will write here. So our style.css is in the same folder, you know, here. So this is because no, this is why it is, you know, just like style.css. Suppose it has been in new folder that styles, and inside the styles, suppose we have that our styling files inside the styles. So if we refresh it, it will not fetch this styles file, so we will need to change our path. So I will just completely erase it. So we have to use styles, inside the styles folder / and there is file called style.cs. Fetch the styles from this file and use it in this HTML file. So save it, and if we refresh, then we are again back with our styles. So these are the examples of inline, internal and external styling in HTML.